up, YouTube? I'm back. I'm back with another video, man. Your boy's back, man. The #1 tanker driver on YouTube. Hey, if you're new to the channel, I work for KAG Energy, the biggest. My goal is to get you off that road and stop chasing freight. We're going to get you to the tanker life. Yeah, but today's video about this 250,000 team drivers, man. We're going to get into that. We're going to give a good breakdown of it. And we're going to hope you and somebody who's struggling at another job chasing freight, y'all team up like this and go get that 250,000 a year. And we about to get the video started. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? The video is continuing. Man, I done had a rough day today. I can't even lie. Today been one of them days. I lost the battle on this one, man. Hey, we gonna get to what the purpose of the video, but I gotta speak on when you have a rough one, man. This morning I loaded the wrong product on the truck, dropped some of the wrong product in a different tank, but luckily enough, I didn't drop enough to mess up the what's the word? Well, luckily I didn't drop enough to mess up what was already in the ground. So they didn't have to, we didn't have to pump out the tank or none of that. So I didn't drop enough to downgrade the gas where it had to be pumped out. So that's what happened, man. It was a rough one this morning, man. But we gonna get to what we supposed to get to, because that is a common mistake. The reason I didn't drop enough because I wound up going back to double check my paperwork after I started dropping, and that's how I caught the mistake. But you can never be too confident, man. Don't never get too confident out here. Don't never get too comfortable. You can do the same thing over and over. I do the same thing over and over and over like clockwork. But today, it caught up with me. It wasn't all bad, but it wasn't all good either. I got the best scenario out of that situation. But Canton is trying to give away $1 million. You heard me right. I said Canton Advantage is trying to give away $1 million and they want to give it to you. How you gonna get that M? We need 8 people, right? It's 8 people, cause they gotta split it, right? 125,000 each person. But to get it, right? Yeah, you gotta 8 people, 125,000 each person. Is that $1 million? Somebody do the math for me. 48, 16. I don't know. Is that $1 million? Let's see. 200. I say 200 or 250. Oh, it's a $250,000 split. So yeah, 250, that's 500, another 250, 8 people, $1 million, man. What you gotta do to get that M? What these 8 people gotta do to make $125,000 each? Just what you need to do. I'm telling you, I'm gonna keep promoting this job till I find 2 people that watch this video and actually do it. It's a team drivers, man. I keep telling y'all, man, Canton Advantage, team drivers, merchant gas, 12 months driving experience, anywhere in the USA, baby. I said anywhere you are. Yeah. I ain't playing no games, I ain't telling no lies. Team drivers, $250,000 split. That's $125 for you, that's $125 for you, and you tell some more people, because we're going to get them $1 million up out of Canton, right? We're going to get the $1 million up out of them, right? So that's how it go. It's called merchant gas. You need 1 year driving experience. 1 year driving experience. You heard me right. Just 12 months. Yeah, man, you need 12 months of driving experience. And you need to have the ability to get your tanker and hazmat endorsement. You don't have to have it at the present time. According to the website. I said according to the website. You just got to have the ability to go get it, because you're going to need it. Hey, you 3 weeks out. This is for my over-the-road drivers. You 3 weeks out, 1 week off. 3 weeks out, 1 week off. Benefits, 401k, all that good stuff, man. It could even be a sign-on bonus, man. I don't know. Y'all got to do a little research now. Y'all got to put the application in. Look, I got the website right here. Get that application in, you and somebody else, man. Y'all need to get that 250. Look. 250 1 year, 250 the next year, 250 especially if it's your girlfriend. In 4 years, y'all gross $1 million. In 4 years, let me break it back down to you. Y'all gross $1 million, man. Y'all, if you and your woman don't get on that truck, man, give up the house, give up everything. Y'all don't got no kids or nothing, man. Man, get it all up, man. Hit the road together, man. Gross that million. Sleep in that truck. Hey, look, you don't got to worry about no truck payments. You don't got to worry about putting no gas in the truck. Truck breakdown, you don't got to worry about getting it fixed. You don't got to worry about none of that. The #1 tanker driver on YouTube is telling you everything today. Even though I had a rough day today, this is the first time something like that done happened to me. But we got through it. I reported it to the right people. Everybody was informed on what happened and what went wrong. You know, I just had one of those days today, man. On the bright side, nobody had to come pump out no tanks or nothing. You know, I caught the mistake halfway through, but hey, it happens sometime, man. I can't tell y'all the upside, and when I have a bad day, when I go through it. This is my first time going through it in 3 years. It'll be 3 years in July. This is my first time going through it like this. As far as the gas hauling, 8 years. This is my first time going through it like this. So yeah, today I went through it, but we ain't gonna worry about me. It's all about you. We need those 8 people. Sign up, go on and team up. Keenan over there sitting with $1 million. We get 8 more people, 16. Keenan and Advantage got to pay them $2 million. Yeah. These folks sitting over here with millions of dollars trying to pay you $250,000 a year for you and your mate or you and your partner to team up and go drive this truck. And you looking at this video like I'm crazy. Why you ain't teamed up, man? Why you ain't teamed up? Look, if I ain't have a 5-year-old or younger child is 5. I've been gone. Yeah, I've been gone. I'd have been gone. With a female. Me and a female would have been teaming up. Man, stacking up. Getting this money. Stack it. Stacking up. Million every 4 years, I gotta stack it up. Million every 4 years, I gotta stack it up. Yeah. Yeah, today one of them days, man. Right now I'm waiting on roadside. I caught a flat 2 today. I caught a flat 2 today, so I'm waiting on the flat people right now to pull up, man. I just had one of them days, man. It's one of them days, man. Everything could go wrong, went wrong, man. Today it did, but it's all good, man. Keep good spirits, keep good faith, keep your head up. Hey, nobody didn't get hurt. Ain't nobody out here harmed. I'm still alive, man. Life good. But I want you and you and you and the other person, you and you and you and you and you. All y'all. Man, y'all go to this website right here, man. Y'all go sign up. I need these 2 people get their $250,000 a year. When y'all start scared to split $250,000? Come on, man. When did people start be scared to split $250,000? 3 weeks out, 1 week off. I know some people over the road right now with other companies making way less money, man. And they teamed up. Making way less money, man. KG with the biggest. I am the #1 tanker driver on YouTube. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the comment button. Make sure you share this video. This is my most important video. Keenan giving away $1 million to 8 people. This is my most important video, man. You better do something. Sign up right now. Sign up right now. Sign up right now. Hey, Keenan, y'all need to call me. I need my own personal hiring recruiter. Somebody tell Canton to call me. I need my own personal hiring recruiter because I want the people to talk directly to somebody. I don't want them to talk to anybody no more. I want them to talk directly to somebody. So, hey, Canton, let's make it happen. Yeah, let's make it happen. But yeah, man, it's been a rough one for me, man, today. You know, everything's everything. Sometimes you go through it. But, man, thank y'all for tuning in, man. The biggest KAG, we the biggest #1 tanker drive on YouTube. Peace.